All right, what's good, guys? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you're watching this. I just got on here because I wanted to make another video about the investment, how the markets are, and what can we do together to become millionaires at the same time. So if you don't know who I am, I'm Cameron Alvarado. I made this YouTube channel just to share all of the info that I absorbed from the internet, from doing market for 5 years, 6 years actually now. And I've been in the market for a long time. And this is one of the reasons why I'm actually in my new shop, because investment got me to this. Believe it or not, Bitcoin bought this shop and this 2-acre property that I have. But anyways, enough of that. I wanted to get in here to share some stuff to you guys. And what I wanted to say to you guys is that there's 3 things that you look for when you're going into the market. That being, 1, do you want a big savings account? 2, do you want an extra monthly income? Or 3, do you want retirement? Now I'm going to talk on what I do. So what I do and what I did to get here is I had all 3. I did a lot of troubleshooting, that meaning I did index funds, I did crypto, I did individual stocks, basically everything you can do in the market. And I found that the best method possible right now is crypto and an index fund. Why do I say that? A crypto is, depending on when you got in, when you got out, that will determine a lot. So I got in when crypto was pretty low, low meaning 50K, that's what Bitcoin was at. And then Ethereum, I got in when it was at 1500, and then I sold when I was at high. Well, sold some of it, not all of it. But that is a little backstory on the crypto. On the index funds, I just have been buying in and just continuously invest every 2 weeks. But let me talk with the index fund, because the index fund is the safest for people that are out there that don't have that much money. So for example, if you came to me and you had $100 a month that you can play with, so that's 50 bucks every 2 weeks, bi-weekly, I would tell you to go into an index fund. Best thing you can do, by the way, not a financial advisor, this is my experience, so do with your money as you will. What I would do, I would take that 50 bucks and put it into the stock called VOO. That is off Robinhood. Robinhood is the easiest stock trading app you can download right now to get into that stock. So VOO, put 50 bucks into that. Robinhood does it where you could do frequent buys. So meaning every buy or bi-weekly, you can put in 50 bucks. There's an option on there on Robinhood and it does it all for you. There's nothing else you got to do. It's a set and forget. Only thing I recommend to you guys from my experience is never stop putting money into it, only increase. And if you can't put the 50 bucks in there anymore for every 2 weeks, honestly, treat it as a bill where you need to put 50 bucks in it. Just treat it as a bill. I do that myself and I've never stopped. I've only upped. But anyways, so doing that, it's basically going to give you 1, a big savings account. 2, it's going to give you a monthly income because it pays out quarterly. So I think, I'm not too sure, but I'll give you an example. I think they pay $4 for every 1 stock you have. I don't think it's $4. I think it's like 80 cents or $1 or something like that. But if you own 100 full stocks of VOO, that means you'll get $100 every 3 months. So it's pretty damn good. But anyways, and then the third one is retire early. Retiring early is what can you make to get extra monthly income? Because you don't want to work anymore, right? You don't want to work. You don't want to continue waking up, going to your 9 to 5. You want that market or the money that you put in the market work for you. So that is exactly what VOO does. So anyways, those are the 3 big things that I tend to chase after. And I've been doing it for the 6-7 years that I've been in the market. And it's been showing some crazy returns. If you don't believe me, you can go in my other videos, my newer video or older videos that I have on this channel. It shows all the market that I've gained. It shows how much money I make a month. So if you don't believe me, go check out one of those videos. I just got on here to basically to tell you guys, because it's been a couple days, and just want to say, haven't forgot about you guys. I am here to answer all of your guys' questions. So like I said, drop them in the comments and start asking yourself, what 3 do you want? Do you want all 3, or do you want a retirement? Do you want a monthly income, or do you want a big savings account? Start asking yourself that, because that is the question you need to answer. Once when you're able to answer that, you can then start going into the market, or you can do what I just did. The advice is go into VOO, download Robinhood, put 50 bucks in it every 2 weeks, and you're set and forget. Don't ever stop it. Just keep doing it, and you'll thank yourself in 5 years from now, and you'll be like, holy damn, it's insane of how much money I'm getting. But anyways, guys, not to info overload you guys, I make these videos very short because this is like the biggest thing that I try to tell people. If you want to know more about crypto, I can share my crypto story on it, but it's basically kind of the similar of VOO, that index fund that I told you on Robinhood. So if you want, let me know in the comments. But with all that, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me so we can become millionaires together. I'll see you guys in the next vid. See ya.